Welcome back. Today we are in the process of making deer bologna. After the deer meat has been cut off the bones and into grindable chunks, we grind the meat into hamburger. We weigh the deer burger. This recipe needs 4 pounds of deer burger to 1 pound of hamburger. We had enough deer burger to make 4 turns. I mix 2 batches at a time. Mix the hamburger and the deer burger together before adding any spices. This helps blend both meats together. I also mix the meat after adding 1 spice at a time. We will put the recipe in the description below. We roll the mixed meat and spices into small balls to use in our jerky shooter. This has worked easier for us to stuff casings rather than trying to use a sausage stuffer. We purchased this product from LEM. Our great kitchen helper looking for a crumb. The casings are slid up the jerky shooter tip, and then the lever is squeezed. Once the casings are full, we tie them with a string. The rolls will need to be refrigerated or stored in a cool place overnight. The next morning, the rolls need to be baked at 200 degrees until an internal temperature of 155 degrees is reached. We flip the trays from top to bottom and spin front to back every hour. This is to make the rolls have even heating. After completely cooling, we cut into pieces and seal in vacuum bags and put into the freezer.